Hey guys, Henry here from Product Creation Formula. In this video, we're going to be talking about 10 reasons why you should repurpose your PLR content. It'll change your life. I just want to let you know that here at Product Creation Formula, we love to give you tips and tricks to help you create your products quickly and easily. Along with that, we also do product reviews as well as tips on how to make money online. So if that's the sort of thing that interests you, how about you smash that like button, as well as subscribe and hit the bell icon so you can be notified whenever we upload more videos. So let's go check it out. How you can repurpose number 1. You can use edited sections of your PLR ebook as a script for your YouTube videos. Now, even if you're the sort of person who doesn't like to use scripts, I'm one of those people. It's good to have them down as points so you can use them as an overview, but what you can do is have a bullet point outline. By having the outline, it keeps you on track and allows you to get all your content out there without losing track of what you're meant to be doing. Now, Repurpose 2 is building on from the previous point. Do a voiceover on a PLR video and then upload that onto YouTube. Now, you'll find that myself, I don't do that. Not on my YouTube videos. All of my YouTube videos are 100% unique, and not one of them has ever been repurposed from a PLR video. And that'll never happen because I want to give my subscribers and my viewers unique content straight from me. So if you're a little bit shy and you don't want to be in front of the camera like I am right now, all you need to do is transcribe the video and read the script as you see it on the screen. And this way you can have a video of your very own being uploaded onto YouTube. And the best part about that is that it's completely you. It's your voice over the top of somebody else's video. Repurpose number 3 is to use some of your edited PLR articles or ebooks and turn them directly into a blog post. Now, why do I constantly say edited? The reason I say that is because you want to be able to use the PLR as a template, and then once you edit it, that's when you can turn it into some unique content of your very own. You use the previous formatting that the PLR has, and this way you can turn it into something unique for you by editing it so you can turn it into your own unique product. This way you can make it search engine optimized so as it can be picked up by Google, Bing, or Yahoo, or one of the others. Repurpose number 4. You can record a voiceover on PLR videos to put into a course. And this way you can sell it on places like Udemy, Skillshare, or one of those other platforms. By doing this, you don't actually have to put your face on the screen. You can just get a transcript of the previously made content and read that in your own voice. I personally use Otter.ai as well as Content Gorilla, and the links will be in the description down below. Recording a voiceover on top of a course makes it easy because you already have it written down in front of you. All you have to do is match your voice to what's happening on the screen, and then you have a completed course ready to go, ready to sell online. Repurpose number 5. Use your edited PLR as part of your membership site. You can do things like videos, you can use it as training, you can use it as content for your membership site. This way you're adding value to your current subscribers and your members. Members will leave your membership site a lot quicker if you don't give them constant content or give them something they're looking for on a regular basis. So if you can be uploading fresh content on a monthly basis, your subscribers will last much longer in your membership site. Repurposing number 6. Create emails using edited PLR content. Actually, articles are really good for this sort of thing. You can use these PLR articles as well as ebooks as content for an email course, or you can even use it as a email sequence for marketing purposes. All you really need to do is to personalize it a little bit. And once you've done that, you can then send that off to emails like GetResponse or Aweber or one of those type of email autoresponders. And this will also allow you to build a relationship with your email list. You don't want to use your email list just as a way to get money. You also want to be able to build a relationship with your email list. And this is a really great way of doing it. By adding genuine content that they can use, allows them to know you actually care for them. And they'll be more inclined to want to buy from you if they know, like, and trust you. Repurpose number 7, turn a PLR ebook into a PowerPoint course so that you can create it into a unique bit of content that you can sell on somewhere like Udemy, Skillshare, or Teachable. Quite often I find that all I have to do is use the headlines and the subheadlines and put those down in my PowerPoint presentation. And this way, when I go to present it, I can present it in a succinct, exact way. And then all I need to do is read the ebook off screen and follow along. And what I also do is I mark in the ebook where I'm going to be changing the slide, or when I'm going to be bringing up the next point. When I mark in the ebook where it is, it makes it so much easier, because then I know where I'm going from one step to the next. And you sound far more professional. Repurpose number 8. Use your PLR as a way to create a mind map that you can add to your front end. Now, why would you want to do that? You do that primarily because when you have a mind map and you have your front end offer, quite often it's good to give more than just a video course or more than just an ebook. If you're going to be offering an ebook, you may as well add other things to it as well. And quite often a mind map will help people because they can see how it's all mapped out. Sometimes people find mind maps a bit easier to follow along with. It's really good to add it to a front end offer, because then the person feels they've got more value and they feel like they've got more bang for their buck. Repurpose number 9 for your PLR is to create a checklist. Now, checklists are big right now. If you actually have a look online, there are some actual PLR sites that sell nothing but checklists. If you can put them all together and turn it into a package, people will happily purchase that. And you'll be actually quite surprised how lucrative checklists really are. Right now, I know of one particular site that sells nothing but checklists, and they are raking it in. Every time they bring up a new package or a few new packages, what they'll do is they'll do another big launch promoting just those packages, and then that person starts getting some more revenue coming in every time they do it. Repurpose number 10, turning your PLR product into a cheat sheet. Now, cheat sheets are also huge, and they're also really good to put into your front end offer. This way, people feel like they're also getting more bang for their buck as well. Along with the last 2 products in this video, what you can do is you can package them all together and make that all part of the one package. This way it gives more value to your front end offer. And cheat sheets are also really good because people love to be able to see something quick and easy that they can just follow along with. It doesn't take them long. 5 minutes, they've gone through the complete cheat sheet, and it allows them to get a good broad overview as to what they need to do. And this helps them to be able to move forward and take action on what needs to be done. So cheat sheets are really good for that sort of thing. Okay guys, that's all there is for this video. Now, if you like this video, please consider smashing the like button as well as subscribing and hitting the bell icon so you can be notified whenever we upload more videos. Okay guys, thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.